Hey girlies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka. This video is going to be showing you job opportunities that you can easily apply to without having any experience, and you are not going to pass through series of interviews. If that has been your experience, I am here to bring you great news, because in this video I am going to show you 4 websites that you are going to apply to for remote or work from home jobs where you will not be required to take any form of interview or be required to have so many years of experience. And if that is what you are interested in, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that this video can get to other people who have been struggling and going through the same thing. All right, so I have my laptop as usual, and I'm going to talk you through on how you can apply. The first website is called Working Nomads. Open Google and search for Working Nomads, and here it says get hired for the best fully remote jobs, and you are going to see a lot of them all across the world, from the United States to Thailand to European countries. And the best thing about this is that you don't need to have any experience. Isn't that amazing? So as you can see, no experience required, and you get to apply to any job of your choice. The next website is called userinterviews.com, and on this website it doesn't require any level of experience. You are going to be paid to take online surveys and participate in online project research, and these guys can pay you between $50 an hour to $200 an hour. Search for user interviews, and then you click on the website. We connect researchers and participants, get fast access to quality participants, or earn money by participating in studies. So if you want to participate in research studies or paid surveys, this is where you would definitely earn a whole lot more. If you are interested in that, go ahead and register and participate in these online paid surveys. The next is called Welfound. I know a lot of us have heard about Welfound, but do you really know exactly what they do? Welfound is like a marketplace that connects startup companies with qualified candidates for employment. It's a marketplace for only startup companies, and if you understand the dynamics of a startup company, they hire a lot of people that don't have so much experience so that they can also grow as the company grows. So it has up to 100,000 job seekers and over 50,000 startup companies. So you go ahead and search for Welfound remote jobs, and then it shows you the total number of jobs that are readily available in each of the 50,000 actively hiring companies. Like this, for instance, this field wire, they have 3 job opportunities, and each of these job opportunities you can apply to either or all of them, depending on the one that you have experience in or have little experience in. The reason I love Welfound is that it not only shows you the name of the company and the total jobs that they are actively hiring for, it also shows you what the company is all about, and it shows the founders of the company, and even go as far as checking out their social media handles, right? So this website is really good for anyone who wants to start working for startup companies. And then you go ahead and search for the role that you are applying for and the location that you are applying for. and it will show you in each of the companies that are readily available. The last website is called TextBroker. This is specifically for people who enjoy writing, and on this website they pay you per word and they offer weekly payouts, right? So if you are interested in that, go ahead and register to begin to earn by helping clients to write content. All right, so we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question whatsoever, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I especially thank you for watching to the end of this video. All right, so don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Well, even if you did not enjoy it, please still click the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can have access to awesome videos that would tell you or show you there are so many ways to earn online. There are so many, and I'm here. It's my passion to help you, to show you how you can easily do that at the comfort of your home. All right, so if you are interested in that, please go ahead and subscribe and continue sharing the video so that it can reach other people who don't know how to start applying to jobs online. All right, so until the next video, have a wonderful one. Bye.